Welcome to Unlocking Web3 Profits, a comprehensive guide to play-to-earn opportunities by leading companies. Web3 represents the new internet era, characterized by the fusion of blockchain technology, decentralized networks, and virtual reality. Within this world, the play-to-earn model has rapidly gained traction, allowing gamers to earn real-world value through their digital interactions. The play-to-earn model marks a significant evolution in the gaming industry. Traditional gaming platforms primarily offer entertainment value. However, blockchain technology has revolutionized this, enabling in-game assets to carry real-world value, which can be earned by players and traded on decentralized markets. What sets play-to-earn games apart are the unique benefits they offer. It's more than just entertainment. It's an opportunity to earn income. Gamers can make real money, not just in-game currency, by selling their in-game assets or winning competitions. This model democratizes the gaming industry, putting real economic power into the hands of players. However, as with any investment, play-to-earn games come with their own set of risks. The volatility of cryptocurrency, security issues, and regulatory uncertainties are among the potential challenges facing gamers in this space. It's essential for potential players to fully understand these risks before diving in. Among the leading companies in the play-to-earn space is Axie Infinity. This digital pet universe allows players to earn tokens by participating in various games. The unique aspect of Axie Infinity is that the value earned in-game can translate into real-world financial gains. Starting to play Axie Infinity can be an exciting venture. The game involves raising, breeding, and battling creatures called Axies. These Axies can earn players rewards in the form of smooth love potions, LPs, which can be converted into cryptocurrency. The success of Axie Infinity is not a coincidence. It lies in the harmony of its engaging gameplay, rewarding economy, and supportive community. Players are not just spending time, they are investing it, gaining real-world value from their virtual achievements. Decentraland, a virtual reality platform, offers an immersive gaming experience like no other. In this metaverse, players can buy land, build structures, interact with other players, and participate in games and events. As they do, they can earn mana tokens, Decentraland's native cryptocurrency. To make money in Decentraland, players need to be strategic. Buying and selling land can be profitable, especially as the platform grows and demand increases. Creating popular content or hosting successful events can also earn a substantial income. Looking forward, Decentraland has the potential to revolutionize the gaming industry. As it merges virtual reality with blockchain technology, it creates a unique world where gameplay and real-world economics intertwine. This could set a new standard for future games. The Sandbox offers a unique blend of blockchain technology and virtual gaming experiences. This platform lets players create, own, and monetize their in-game assets and experiences. It's a digital realm that harnesses the power of player creativity, blending the lines between gaming and real-world value. The earning potential in the Sandbox is impressive. Players can design their own digital assets, offer them for sale, and earn cryptocurrency. This model transforms gaming from a cost into a potential investment, introducing a new paradigm of play-to-earn. Success stories from the Sandbox are already emerging. Players have utilized their creativity to craft valuable digital assets, which others have purchased, generating substantial income. These stories highlight the platform's potential and the lucrative opportunities it presents. Splinterlands, a digital card game, offers a play-to-earn model that is catching the attention of gaming enthusiasts worldwide. Players collect digital cards, engage in strategic battles, and have the opportunity to earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. The earning potential in Splinterlands is tied to a player's strategic skills and card collection. Winning battles and tournaments against other players can yield significant cryptocurrency rewards, adding a thrilling layer of competition to the gaming experience. The play-to-earn model turns every victory into a potential payday. Play-to-earn gaming is more than just a trend. It's an industry transformation that's reshaping the way we perceive online gaming. The model's unique blend of entertainment and economic opportunity has made it a compelling choice for gamers worldwide. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect the play-to-earn model to expand, introducing new games, platforms, and earning opportunities. However, as with any emergent industry, there are legal and regulatory considerations to keep in mind. Both players and developers should be aware of the regulations governing cryptocurrency, digital assets, and online gaming in their respective countries. These considerations could impact the way play-to-earn games are developed, marketed, and played, and could also influence the future growth of the industry. In conclusion, the play-to-earn model represents a new era in online gaming. It's an exciting development that's bringing real-world value to virtual worlds. While there are challenges ahead, the potential rewards for both players and developers are enormous.